Sorting a Python list by 2 fields. I have the following list created from a sorted CSV. I would actually like to sort the list by 2 criteria, first by the value in field 1 and then by the value in field 2. How do I do this? Like this.
No need to import anything when using lambda functions. The following sorts list by the first element, then by the second element. You can also sort by one field ascending and another descending, for example.
Python has a stable sort, so provided that performance isn't an issue, the simplest way is to sort it by field 2 and then sort it again by field 1. That will give you the result you want. The only catch is that if it is a big list, or you want to sort it often, calling sort twice might be an unacceptable overhead. Doing it this way also makes it easy to handle the situation where you want some of the columns reverse sorted. Just include the reverse equals true parameter when necessary. Otherwise you can pass multiple parameters to item getter or manually build a tuple. That is probably going to be faster, but has the problem that it doesn't generalize well if some of the columns want to be reverse sorted. Numeric columns can still be reversed by negating them, but that stops the sort being stable. So if you don't need any columns reverse sorted, go for multiple arguments to item getter. If you might, and the columns aren't numeric or you want to keep the sort stable, go for multiple consecutive sorts. Edit. For the commenters who have problems understanding how this answers the original question, here is an example that shows exactly how the stable nature of the sorting ensures we can do separate sorts on each key and end up with data sorted on multiple criteria. This is a runnable example, but to save people running it, the output is Note in particular how in the second step the reverse equals true parameter keeps the first names in order, whereas simply sorting then reversing the list would lose the desired order for the third sort key.
Sort